Hey everybody, it's Gladys. I'm in Palm Springs Cathedral City area and I'm staying at the Welk Resorts. And let's take a quick look around this area. So first of all, you walk in, these are considered villas. So you do have a full-size kitchen cooking area. You know, you see here toaster, sink, full fridge, microwave, oven, stovetop, plenty of storage. It's great for families who are staying here for long periods of time. You have a full-on dining area there and some, high seating there for a quick snack. Full living room here. You can see there's a big window there, plenty of light, large TV. And I don't have that great of a view. My view is of just the parking lot, but I'll show you. It could either be of the golf course, the pool, or the surrounding parking lot area. But as you can see, there's plenty of parking at this resort, so I wasn't worried about finding a spot for my car. And there is a convenient door here to a balcony, just some outside seating. You can so again, this is in Cathedral City. It's basically Palm Springs. The resort does have a pool, multiple pools, as an adult-only pool and a family-friendly pool and other activities. There is a sliding door here that is from the main bedroom. So this is a one-bedroom villa. Let's head over to the room. Now, something that it really feels like a full-on apartment in here. Here's some closet space, iron, additional bedding. And actually right over here, you have your bathroom. So plenty of counter space, mirrors, sink. It is a shower tub combo. It's very basic, but it's nice, clean. Kind of look through everything. Plenty of towels and amenities and storage space, but very clean and open. A lot of space. Here's the bedroom. So it is a king size bed. Looks very comfortable. You have a huge TV here as well. And like I said before, there is a sliding door entry to the balcony there if you want to access it. Some additional seating over there in the corner and huge mirror here for getting ready. And then you have a walk-in closet. So this is plenty of storage and a safe there. So again, it seems like the Welk Resorts, and just for a wedding I'm attending later, and it seems that Welk Resorts does cater to longer stays, also very family friendly. So I'll do just one quick little walk around. So it is a one-bedroom villa here. They're all the same, all the rooms. That's it. If you're ever out in this area, check out Welk Resorts.